Are you looking to turn your WordPress website into a powerful online store? Look no further. Today we're diving into WooCommerce, the world's most popular e-commerce solution for WordPress. And in today's video, we're going to explore WooCommerce, what it is, how it works, and why it's the go-to choice for millions of online businesses. WooCommerce is a free open source plugin for WordPress that allows you to create and manage an online store with ease. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or even subscriptions, WooCommerce provides a robust platform to handle it all. One of the best things about WooCommerce is its flexibility. It seamlessly integrates with your existing WordPress site, giving you complete control over your store's design and functionality compared to selling products on Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. When you sell products with these websites, you do not own your website. They can kick you off whenever they want, and WooCommerce is what's called a self-hosted e-commerce platform because you're in charge of hosting your website, and you can do that by either buying a server and hosting the website yourself, which I do not recommend, or you can pay a hosting company a small fee to host your website using their hosting platform. Let's take a look at some key features. First, there's the easy setup. With the WooCommerce wizard, you can quickly configure your store settings, payment gateways, and shipping options. Plus, WooCommerce supports a wide range of payment methods, including PayPal, Stripe, and even bank transfers. Next, let's talk about analytics and reporting. WooCommerce provides detailed insights into your sales, orders, and customer behavior. With these powerful tools, you can track your store's performance and make informed decisions to grow your business. WooCommerce also offers a vast library of extensions and plugins. From marketing tools and payment gateways to shipping solutions and design enhancements, you can customize your store to meet your specific needs. Thousands of businesses around the world trust WooCommerce to power their online stores. It's used by small startups and large enterprises alike, proving that it's scalable and reliable for businesses of all sizes. So whether you're just getting started with e-commerce or looking to expand your existing online business, WooCommerce is a fantastic choice. It's free, flexible, and backed by a strong community of developers and users. Ready to take your online store to the next level? Head over to WooCommerce.com and start building your e-commerce empire today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.